Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made the Santa's Magic Key hanger and also how I made this magic reindeer food. They are both easy to make, so if you want to see how I made them, then continue watching. The Santa's Magic Key, I am using this printout that I designed. This is the front side and the red is the back side, and I do have these available to download on my website, and I will leave the link down below. Also, I'm going to be using one of these old style skeleton keys. These are just decorative keys that I got from Michael's. I think that they do sell a package of 3. They might even sell them individually, but you can check at your local craft store. I'm going to be using ribbon. I got 2 different types here, and I'm going to be using a bell and a glue stick. Also, can't forget my scissors. And I'm going to be using a hole punch. I'm going to start off by cutting out my Santa's Magic Key poem printout, and then I'm also going to cut out the back side. Now I'm going to take my glue stick and go ahead and glue that poem to the red back side. This project is very simple, guys. And you can even take an ink pen and go ahead and fill in the name of your family or maybe your child that you're making this for. Now I'm just going to take my hole punch and punch a hole at the top of my tag, and this is where I'm going to attach the ribbon. The ribbon I'm using is this red and white ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby, and this is just to be able to hang the tag on the Christmas tree, and then for Christmas Eve you'll take it and you'll hang it on the doorknob. And to attach my bell and my key to my tag, I'm just using this Dollar Tree wire tinsel ribbon. I have had this ribbon probably for a couple years, so I'm not sure if they sell it, but any ribbon will do for this. So this is a very easy project, and I think that this would be a great craft for kids. Now I'm going to show you how to make this magic reindeer food. This is so easy to make, and the kids are going to love it. I'm going to be using these magic reindeer food labels, and I will have these available for download on my website. You can just go download those and print them out. I'm going to be using this glass tube that I got from Michael's. You can use cellophane bags if you'd like. I'm going to be using a hole punch and some red and white twine. I'm going to be using a jingle bell, a pair of scissors, and also I have some rolled oats. This is about 1/4 cup, and I'm going to be using some sugar crystals and some sprinkles. There is no need to measure this out. You can just put as much as you want in your bowl and as much sprinkles as you want. So I'm just going to take these red sugar crystals and go ahead and sprinkle them in my rolled oats. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my red and green sprinkles into the mix. Then I'm going to take my spoon and just mix it all together, and that is how easy it is. And then I'm going to take my tube and I'm going to take a funnel and go ahead and put my mixture inside the tube. I'm going to cut out one of my tags, then I'm going to punch a hole in it, then I'm going to string my bell and my tag onto my twine, then I'm going to wrap it around the tube and go ahead and tie that into a bow. And here is the final magic reindeer food. Now this project is so simple that kids can definitely do this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.